Hello everyone! I'm AYANA, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to select mesh. Let's begin! Let's start! To select a mesh, select the object and use the Tab key on your keyboard to switch to edit mode by clicking Vertex Select at the top left of the 3D view. You can select the vertices of the object in the same way by clicking Edge Select. You can select the edge of the object You can select the face of the object by clicking Face Select. You can select multiple faces by holding down the Shift key while selecting. You can also select the face with the shortest distance between the two faces by holding down the Control key and selecting the mesh of the two faces. While holding down the Alt key while clicking the mouse to select, we can select the surrounding faces like this. You can select all the meshes of the object that you are editing by pressing the A key on your keyboard. By clicking the Select Lasso tool on the toolbar, you can select the mesh surrounded by a lasso in this way. Here, I'll introduce other ways to choose mesh. Click the Select button on the upper left of the 3D view. You can invert the mesh selection by clicking Invert from the Select button. You can randomly select a mesh by clicking Select Random from the Select button. By clicking Select Similar from the Select button, you can select the same materials or select meshes on the same plane. You can scale the selection by clicking Select More, Less from the Select button. You can do the same with the Control key on your keyboard and the plus and minus keys on the numpad. Click Mirror Selection from the Select button to invert the selection based on the coordinate axis. Also, if you check Extend, you can select meshes on both sides, based on the coordinate axis. This is the end of the lecture on how to select mesh. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.